Hi, I'm Dan Schmidt, and it's the Team Chicago Challenge. Now, most people know I've been involved with ice racing for many, many years. It goes all the way back to 1976, 1977. I started promoting the race at Mineola. We did that for 10 years to 87. Then I started a TV show. But I've been ice racing all these years. Now, people say, what was your greatest race? I've had some pretty good races. There's no doubt about it. But I'm going to go back to 2005, Oshkosh. I'm riding the 250 Yamaha, and it was a nice warm day. The ice was thick, but it warmed up that day, and I had a pretty good ride. So let's check out what happened in Oshkosh, 2005. A great race for me, but everybody was going fast. It's a great race. So let's go check it out. What took place at Oshkosh back in 2005.
All Yamahas, big twins, 650s. Wait for the green light. Get a pretty good start. The outside, it's Joe Stoppelworth, local hero. Forward, it's Gary Beck. Down on the inside, both are on the twins. Got some horsepower on me. Those bikes weigh a little bit more. Just gotta run a straight, solid line. I fixed my gearbox, got the gears together right, head over at 4 and 6. Got the trans together. Working fine. I'm running 3rd and 4th out here. On that 4 and 6 performance. Yamaha dealers, Torco Racing Fuel and Oil, Dunlop, Yamaha 250, WR, Gary Beck. See that more drive coming in. He's slowing down, going in the corner. See if I can make this work. He's got more snap down the straightaway. He drifts a little wide. Get on the gas a little bit quicker. See if I can chase down Joe Stoppelworth. He's running that high line. He's got to stay on the gas. Back on the gas. Pitch it in. He's really going wide. I think they take advantage. Once they get on the gas and get loose, stay out of the spray. Wide again. They get on the gas. White flag, 1 lap to go. Sumner's running behind us. Gary Beck is still running 3rd overall, 2nd in class. Last corner, I stay on the inside, I get on the gas, and I drift wide. Stay on the gas, and Joe outpowers me to pick up the win. So we won the twins class, I won the plus 50 class.
Now that was a pretty good race. Now let's check out the action in the 450 production class. These guys are really getting around this track fast.
Up front, Terry Vesco. Around the outside though. Red Rosine, but he's in 3rd up front. Tyler Smokers is on the 450. Inside line, I'm moving on the outside. 62, that's Nick Schmitt. He's going up to 2nd, 3rd,
It was Spolters, Rosine, and Smith. Now let's check out the final event.
production. Jumping up front. 6 is Rosine. 5 is Carlson. Up front, 35. That's Tiger Smolters. Benny Carlson on the outside, 27. That's Lance Wollin. Benny Carlson, number 5, running third. Ed Rosine running second. Tiger Smolters up front. Lance Wollin, 27. Down on the inside. Nick Schmitt trying to make a move. Lance Wollin trying to make a move on Benny Carlson. Benny Carlson on that Corsair Superbike KTM. This is the guy that won the 3-hour. One of the partners, but up front, Tiger Smokers looking good. He's had good range, good line, running through the flop. It's a beautiful 50-degree day. 17 inches ice.
Top 3 were Smolters, Rosine, and Carlson. Now let's check out the action in the 200cc race.
200 class. Bikes up to 200cc, out of 125. 200 euro bikes up front. Kawasaki, that's Jake Kaiser. Big Shore Plumbing, FHA Ranch. But moving up front, the inside, it's Ben Raider on the Kawasaki. Whoa, rider down. It's Serge.
As we slow it down, you'll see that Felucci got cut off by Kaiser and didn't keep the line, and his bike hit the back wheel, but that put Kaiser back also.
Up front, battle for the lead. Nick Schmitt, Ben Raider on the inside, Schmitt on the outside. Come to the checker flag. Ben Raider gets the win. Nick Schmitt is second.
With Raider winning and Nick Smith in second, let's see what happens in the 200 final event.
The club that's putting this race on. He's got time to chase down Ben Raider. Serge Fucci seems to have a solid ride. Jake Kaiser doesn't quite have the drive to catch up. Up front. Up front, it's still Ben Raider, second place. Nick Schmitt. They come upon a lap rider. Ben Raider looks like he's got the hot hand on the cool ice. Oshkosh. Serge is on. Serge is surging. It's Serge Fucci and trying to run down Nick Schmitt. Can he get the job done? He's picking it up. White flag is coming out. Serge is on the gas. Nick Schmitt is running wide. Jake Kaiser is falling back. Up front, Ben Raider on the Kawasaki. Nick Schmitt, Honda. Serge Fucci, can he get the job done and come through the last corner? Nick goes a little wide, he's on the gas. Serge is down below. Photo finish.
It was Ben Raider going on to pick up the win. Felucci snatched second place from Smith. This is the Otter Street Fishing Club annual fundraiser. Thousands of people come out to support the club and to enjoy the motorcycle ice racing, maybe the biggest spectator event for motorcycle ice racing. Earlier, I had a chance to talk to some of the racers out here.
Lance Wollin, Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin here, Otter Street Days 2005. Track's fun. Last year was first time, got like a second in 250A. This year should be pretty good too. Big wide open track, and it's a good time on the ice. Today's gonna be 50. Brought a lot of clothes for today, so we'll see how it goes.
Hey, my name's Marc Schmidt. Up here at Otter Street Days again for another year of race and see what we can do. A lot of fun on the big fast track. Get to lay it down, do some bumping and grinding.
John Cooper from Madison. up here at Otter Street to do a little bit of racing. The ice is a little iffy today, but we're going to have a good time. My name's Andy Fenwick from Neenah, and expect a lot of fun. It's going to be wet, and I got a new hairdo for today.
My name is Gary Beck from Oshkosh. To ride these big twins, well, I haven't been on one for a year and a half, so I'm a little out of shape, but I'm going to try to give her my best and hope my arm doesn't get all pumped up. But
Hi, I'm Tom Waltrain. I'm from Elkhorn, Wisconsin. I'm up here at Otter Street Festival, running the races here this weekend. It's a Saturday, the sun's shining, it's beautiful. Looking forward to some good, fast racing.
Hey, my name's Jake Kaiser. I'm racing out here on the ice. It's a lot of fun. I've been racing that Saturday night series on the short track. Coming out to the big track, have a little more fun, a little more speed, and a little more action.
Thank you, gentlemen. And now let's check out the action in the plus 40 heat race.
This is 500 Honda on the outside. You have 450 Yamaha trying to get outside line. It's Joe Stoppelworth. Down on the inside. Terry Vestos on that KTM. 4-stroke, 450, I believe. Could be a 500. So you have 4-stroke per. Tom Kosoff. Inside line, heading over his buddy, Joe Stoppelworth, who's taking that wide outside line on the gas, looking great. Terry Vesta looking good. Roy Nasker, Tom Coleslaw, moving up. It's Andy Fenwick. Joe Stoppelworth is using an outside line. You don't like the inside. He's got that Yamaha purring.
Picking up the win in the heat race it is Terry Vesto. Roy Nasker was second. Third place went to Andy Fenwick. Now let's check out the action in the plus 40 final event, 8-lap race.
Number 16. Outside line, on the inside, it's Terry Vesto. 93, it's Roy Nasker. Running that beautiful outside line, Joe Stoppelworth, he's on the gas. He's on that 450 Yamaha single. The KTM, Terry Vesto, he's from Bristol, which is right by Kenosha, Wisconsin. He's on that KTM. He's got that bike working. Roy Nasker, Joe Stoppelworth, Andy Fenwick running fourth. Roy Nasker tries the outside line, but Terry Vesto got his track dial. Roy Nasker's right there. Joe Stoppelworth. Trying that outside line. Look at that boy ride.
Picking up the win, it was Terry Vesto. Roy Nasker was second. Third place went to Joe Stoppelworth using that outside line. And let's check out the action in the first of 2 quad heat races.
Down on the inside, number 8. There's Matt Sloats. And if you listen closely, that quad is making a different sound. It sounds like he's got a 4-cylinder engine in there. Maybe he's got a R6 engine or a 600, but it sounds like he's got an inline 4. He squeezes down the straightaway. Brad Toma up front, 17. Pat Slopes, check that. Brad Tomaine. Second place, Austin Seltzers. 2 heats, studded, 4 strokes.
Now let's check out the action in the open quad final event.
4-cylinder. That's why it sounds so different. That 4-cylinder Yamaha. We got a 600 engine in there. It's purring. Right with them. On the Honda, it's Dale Bennett, 17. Austin Seltzer running third. Jason Beck running fourth. Went out there. There was a lot of water getting up under the engine compartment. Moving up front is Dale Bennett. Trying to come back on it. 4-cylinder. Gets Pat Sloats. I can hear it missing. It's not running smooth. Dale Bennett starts pulling away. Goes on to pick up the win.
Great racing action in the open quad class. Now let's check out the action. 505 class. Let's see what goes on in the heat race.
Tiger's using it more of an outside line. John Cooper third, making the move. It's Andy Hynek. You see 69 Dale Schaefer trying to work his way through traffic, but up front, battle for the lead, taking the outside line. It's Tiger Smoulters getting on the gas. Brad Rosine's right there.
Tyler Smoulters dominates the heat race. Let's see what goes on in the 505's final.
Tyler Smoulters. He's got this track dialed. Brad Rosine. Austin is from Byron, Illinois. Running third. The KTM rider, Andy Heineke, he's right there. John Cooper running fifth. Tiger Smoulters will not be denied. Taking it outside line and using it to his full advantage, running through the push.
Tyler Smoulters is dominating this Otter Street Fishing annual ice race. Now we're going to head back to the past to 1995.
Section, Don Wallbeazer on the Yamaha. So we got a Yamaha, KTM, and then a Rotex knife frame. Battle for the lead. Here comes George Mack. Come on, George. Stay on the inside. You might be able to pass him. Stay on the gas, George. Drop back a little bit there. Going on to pick up the win. And that Cyclecraft Yamaha was Don Wallbeazer. Steve Sade was second. George Mack Jr. was third on the 4 and 6 Rotex.
It was a great day back in 1995. The late, great Don Wallbeazer was flying in that plus 30 class. George Mack was charging, looking great on that Rotex that we put together, working at 4 and 6. I got to ride the Rotex. I'm in the plus 40 class, and I am dominating this race. It is a great race, and this is definitely big fun as we see Rich Wallbeazer, Don's dad. He's also running very fast at the Otter Street Fishing 1995. A huge fundraiser for this fishing club that restocks Lake Winnebago and takes care of many of the piers. It is a great cause, and we're racing with the Beaver Motorcycle Club. Now we're going to check out the action in the open pro class.
Moving up front. Tyler Smoulters right with this track dial. Today is his day, no doubt about it. Brad Rosine, Benny Carlson, Jesse Janet, Cash for Cash. Last race, up front, Jesse Janish, second place. Tiger Smokers still on them 2 strokes, a 250 against a 500. Benny Carlson, number 541, gets Frankie Kaiser. Jesse Janish holding on, coming by, looking for a ways past. Tiger Smokers, Benny Carlson, Smokers takes the inside line, gets by Jesse Janish.
Tyler Smolters is the king of cash. 4 major wins. He has got this track dialed. He has shown everyone the fast way around. We're with the Beaver Motorcycle Club Otter Street Fishing fundraiser. And now we're going to watch my race. This is the Twins race plus the plus 50 class. I'm on my 250 Yamaha. Let's check it out.
Feature event. Music right at the start. Short break. Devin Grant. Justin's face shield. Gets his gloves on. Gets ready. Up, waiting for the green light. My rear wheel just slid, spun up on the start. Let me see if I can get around Bratton here. Drive on the inside. I get by him up front, 24. It's Gary Beck. Joe Stoppelworth takes it outside line, cuts across, goes on to the outside again. These guys both have more horsepower, more top end. Joe Stoppelworth keeps going wide, cuts down on the inside, gets by Gary Beck. Spray from Stoppelworth. 50 degrees, the track's holding up pretty good. I just get by Gary Beck right there. Joe Stoppelworth. Again, cuts back, slides out. I think I've got enough snuff. Get on the gas. Downshift. Keep it down the inside. Look for some clean ice. Get on the gas. At the 4 and 6 performance, Yamaha dealers participate in Yamaha dealers, purple racing fuel and oil, Dunlop tires, AirTech, Yamaha 250 WR. White flag, 1 lap to go. I hear Joe Stoppelworth right behind me. Let's stay on the gas. Zero, next year,
Joe Stoppelworth was second. Gary Beck was third. Music for the show by Engine, Mike Preetz, Intrigue and Travesty. And all this music recorded at Fireside Studios, Westchester, Illinois. Special thanks to Joe Stoppelworth. His email is jlstoppy@gmail.com. Beaver Cycle Club on Facebook, Beaver Cycle Club. Otter Street Fishing is the OSFC motorcyclemotorcycleracing.net for more info. We had a great time racing on the ice with the Beaver Cycle Club. A great day. To contact me, and I love to hear from my audience, is teamdan45@gmail.com. And remember, you can always search on YouTube with Dan Schmidt Motorcycle Racing for great motorcycle racing action. And I highly encourage you to visit the World of Motorcycle Museum. They're in Winamac, Indiana, 4 miles south of North Judson. Give them a call first at 574-896-3172. They're on Highway 39, Winamac, Indiana. It's a great trip and a great collection of motorcycles. And to pick up your Team Chicago history package, stop by Rich's Yamaha in Lockport, Illinois, but give them a call first at 815-838-8130. Their website is richesyamaha.com. Pick up your Team Chicago history package.